So once a month, Tank Masters runs a recovery safety test. Mikey, every time Mikey puts that Tyvek suit on, he hooks himself up into that harness. In the event he goes unconscious or slips and falls, we have the means to recover him. So that's the harness. Face me, Mike. That's the harness that he's always in under his Tyvek suit. And that is the clip. So if there was ever a problem, we just feel the clip, we punch the hook through it, and we'll retrieve him. Okay, so we're gonna retrieve Michael. So you can see, here's the hook right here. And this is the setup on the machine. These two pieces, we just clamp down over it, over there. The carabine right here gets hooked on, and after the other technician secures it, he'll use this to steer him up and out of the hole. So a lot of these harnesses, they come with a tripod that's set up over top of the tank. I don't really like that tripod, and here's why. This tank's about 4.5, 5 feet deep. That tripod would just set up on top of the tank. So all it would do would pull the victim up with his head above the tank. His feet would still be dangling in it. I still have a 200-pound man that I got to get up out of that tank safely, and then 5 feet up out of this void. I use the machine, believe it or not. A lot of people may not recommend it because of the strength of the machine, if you are to catch his head or something. But this is why we do dry runs. It's definitely a different emotion when you have someone you care about on the end of that hook when you pull them out. So again, this is why we all in this company take turns doing dry runs, recovering someone from the tank. And we're all in different positions. We always have a technician down inside the tank, so we all rotate and take turns in the event something terrible does happen. And it's not a matter of just always recovering him from inside the tank. On the way down, if somebody were to slip and fall and cut themselves on that metal, we would need to recover him from this void. And that's another situation where that tripod, it's useless. So we're gonna run this drill here. It should take about a minute. This is not a race at all. So if anybody ever does do this, you operate the machine on low RPMs. You have much better control of the equipment. So Mikey's gonna get down in there and we will begin. I'll have Sammy timing it. It's be about a minute.